Hey everyone and welcome. In today's video we are talking about the Monster.com affiliate program. If you have been following the channel for a while, or maybe this is the first time you are coming here, I have been looking at various affiliate programs because I bought I would say not a bunch, but a handful of websites this year, and I am currently evaluating different affiliate products so that I can build some new content around some new products to try and diversify the income I have to these sites. Now, the things that we look at in these affiliate programs is one, is it a quality product? Could I get behind it? Would I feel good about it? Two, what are the commission details? And then three, what sorts of promotion strategies could I use? Could I actually make money using those strategies? So today, like I said, we're talking about Monster.com. First, is this a good product? I mean, Monster.com is something that I am familiar with. If you don't know what Monster is, it is basically a job website. So employers or, potential employers can post jobs, and then people who want to get jobs can go to Monster and then upload their resumes and, try to get jobs, right? This seems like a good service. It provides good things to people. I want to say that in the past I've actually applied for jobs through Monster, although I cannot think of a single time when I actually did get a job or maybe even an interview through them. But again, I didn't find that I had a negative experience because of the platform at all. It's a fairly well-known platform, and so I don't think it would be difficult to sell to people if it was something you were trying to sell. Trust this platform. I mean, it's not like it's something that nobody knows about. I mean, it's a fairly big platform. So would I promote it? If it fit into the content that I had on the site, I think I could legitimately fit it into, content that I was creating. Now, what can you earn? Right now I found that Monster is handled by the VigLink, which actually has recently been renamed. It's Sovereign, or I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it's the VigLink affiliate program manager. It looks like in the past it was managed by Commission Junction, just because I see some differing notes about what the affiliate program pays out. On VigLink, it says that they pay out 25% commission on and it doesn't say specifically what, right? It just says 25%. If you find the notes from when it was with Commission Junction or when it was with a different site, they said 17% a referral fee on job postings, resume access, and other purchases, along with a 50-cent referral fee for every new sign up. I'm guessing that if I got into the program, I would discover that there was somewhere between 17 and 25% referral fee when you send somebody there, and then possibly some sort of other benefit getting people to just go there and sign up. It's like a lead. As far as whether or not that is a good amount of money, well, it seems certainly better than getting paid 4% of a commission when you make, a sale on something that's $8 from Amazon. And it certainly feels more awesome than getting paid a dime for referring a new affiliate to JVZoo. I do try harder now the longer I am in this to find products that pay me more for doing the same amount of work. So I'm not that excited to get up in the morning and write a blog post about something that if I send, 10 people who actually make a purchase and then I earn a couple of dollars, it's just really hard to get excited about that. So as far as commissions go, I don't think it's that bad. And actually what I've discovered is there's sort of a little world of job affiliate promotion. Like that's a thing. And I had no idea that that was a thing. There's actually several job affiliate of programs out there. A Career Builder has one, and they pay a commission percentage. It looks like 13% for job postings referred by links. They also pay you small amounts for when people apply. Worktree is another one. Let's see what else is there. Hotjobs.com, educationjobs.com. My guess is that there are a lot of other job websites, like Indeed, for example, that will pay you for referring people back to their site, and those people spend money. And it's just something that I did not know about. It feels a lot less scammy and spammy to refer people to jobs, right? Go here to sign up, or you just have to think, okay, how could I make money with this? And you say, okay, well, maybe if you're creating content about creating content, There you go. So let's say, here are 5 different ways to get this blog post written for you. 1, you can write it yourself. 2, you can post an ad on projobblogger.com. 3, you can post something on Facebook. 4, you can go to Upwork. Or 5, you could post a listing on monster.com, and here are the links to every one of these things. So I could see how it could be worked in there, and I thought about that content strategy for all of 30 seconds or less. So I'm sure if I actually thought about it, I could find a way to incorporate it and promote it if it did fit into my overall niche and content strategy. But, I see how if you really wanted to get in there deep and find ways to really maybe make a whole website around small business and jobs and making the most of your life and career transitions. Like, I could see how the job affiliate programs could really fit into that. Anyway, this has been the review of monster.com. Is it an absolute no? No, actually, I think that there is probably a lot of potential in here if you were willing to commit to a strategy of forming a niche website around this program or this sort of job affiliate topic, or just creating a lot of content around it. I think it could really go somewhere just because there are so many people out there who need jobs, right? That's not something that's going to go away. People are always going to be looking for jobs, and more and more they turn to online resources to do that. So I look at it as an evergreen niche, and I have to think that there is money to be made there if you're willing to put in the time. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments, thoughts, questions, please leave them down below. I love answering questions and creating new videos on people's questions. And if you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.